Hello, myself Professor Girish Nole. I'm working as assistant professor in computer engineering department of AISSMS IOT, and today I am here to explain you about the first in first out page replacement algorithm. Okay, you can see the output here. I will explain the output first. Enter the number of frames. So here we can enter total three number of frames here. So enter number of pages. So these are the pages which we are going to enter in that particular frame. So enter page number 47617617272. These are the page numbers which we are going to insert in these three frames in first out manner. So let's see how we are going to insert. Okay, the first page is 4. So this we have three frames 1, 2, 3. Okay, so initially this is the first frame, so we are going to insert as it is the frame as it is 4. Second frame is 7, so that we are going to insert as it is 7. This -1 indicates that there is no page inserted in the particular frame. So this -1 is we are initializing that there is no particular page in that frame. So second page is 7, so we are going to insert 7 as it is. 6 is the third frame, so we are in third sequence we are going to insert that particular page into that particular frame. So 4, 7, 6 as it is. Now next one is 1. 1 is the next page which we are going to insert in a frame. So we are going to insert that 1 in instead of that 4, because 4 was the first page which arrived. So we are going to insert 1 in that position. Now next page is 7. So 7 is already in the page is already in the frame. So we can say it's a page hit. It's a page hit. So next page is 6. So we can say 6 is also a page. 6 is also a page which is already in the frame. So it is also a page hit. So 4, 7, 6 as it is. Now 1 is the next page. 1 is the next page which is already in the frame. So we can say it is also a page hit. Okay. So 6 is also a page which is already in the frame. So 6 is also a page hit. Okay. Now next is which we are going to insert is 1. 1 is already there. So 1 we are not going to insert. Second, 2 is already there. 2 is not already there, so we are going to insert 2 instead of 7. So this is the sequence 2. After that, we are going 1 and 2 are as it is, so there is no need to insert. And 7 we are going to insert in the third position as the third by sequence. Now we have to insert that particular page in that particular frame. So 7 we are going to insert. So in this way, this is a page hit and this is a page fault. Okay, so page hit and page fault. Page fault means what? How many times we got the same page into that frame. So 6 times we got that. And page hit means how many times we have inserted a new page. So that is a page hit. And page fault is nothing but how many times we got the same page. So in this way, by using first in first out manner, we are going to insert the particular page into that particular frame. Let's see how this code works. So this is Java files. All we have taken the integer page frames as a variable. Boolean reader is there. And now we are asking the user enter your frames. So through users we are taking the number of frames, number of pages, how many pages we have to insert into that particular frame. Initially we have initialized all the frames. Frame I is equal to -1, because initially if a particular page is not inserted, then we have to initialize that particular frames into that as -1. Now we are entering all the pages numbers, and while inserting that pages, we are just checking whether there is the page is similar to as that of frame. So if your new page is similar to that of previous frame, we can say it's a page hit. So it counter will initially the page hit is 0. It will increase the counter. and it will break from here. Okay, because already page is there, which is already in a frame. So we are not going to insert. So page, we can say it's a page hit occurs and will directly break. If page hit is not coming here, so we are just inserting that particular page into that particular frame. And in this way, we are going to insert all the pages into in that particular frame. Now this is page fault. So P minus page hit. So if a number of page, what is page hit? If a page is already in the frame, if a page is already in the frame, it's a page hit. So in our example, 6 times we have hit the page. So P. So P is total number of pages, that is 10. 10 minus page hit. 6 times we hit the page. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. That is our page fault. So here we are going to display the page hit, page fault one by one. Means so total number of page hits and total number of page faults. So this is the first in, first out page hit algorithms. You can see here 3 number of pages, 3 number of frames, so 10 number of pages. We are going to insert sequentially one by one in a particular frame. If it is already in the frame, the page is already in the frame, we are doing it will hit that particular page. So this is the first in, first out page algorithm.